What's up USC? You are tuned in again here dito sa Streak. Ang laro susubok sa inyong pagkatumasino. Siyempre, sino pa ba kasama nyo? Your hashtag one and only, Cody Wang. At may tayong mga special guest dito ngayon sa harapan ng building nila. Magpakilala ka naman!
I'm Marisa Bautista from IE!
Pakita natin ng energy natin ng mga first years dito kasi may possibility, yes, possibility na manalo sila ng ating prize ngayon. A 250 gift voucher from Tiger Sugar! Woo! Question number 1. The UST Blanc Campus serves as the main program, the UST EdTech Center supporting the university's e-learning initiatives. Ano to?
Cloud Campus.
Is Cloud Campus correct? It is correct! Move on to the second question. Which building in UST is the UST EdTech home office located?
Presa TV.
Presari is correct! Ang galing mo! So, for our third question, in which floor is it located naman? Taas. Ano?
The 16th floor.
Wala 16th floor dito, pero tama ka dyan! For the fourth question, true or false? Oh, mali na lang. Two choice na. True or false? The UST EdTech Center serves as the premier training hub for ICT-based teacher professional development, focusing on large-scale e-learning implementation in UST. True lalu o wititit?
True Lalu.
True lalu. Gusto ko gumagano'n ba siya? Yes. True lalu. Tama nga siya. For our fifth and final part, Streak Fast Talk tayo. Mabilisan lang to. Zoom o Gmeet?
Zoom.
Asynchronous o synchronous?
Asynchronous.
Is it Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides?
Google Docs.
Rate USC EdTech from 1 to 5 stars.
5 stars.
Canva o Canvas?
Canvas.
Dapitan o Nubal?
Dapitan.
Name one building in UST.
Ruanyo.
What is the official mascot of UST?
Tiger pa.
Isang roar nga.
Ay!
Espanya o Lacson?
Espanya.
At bakit ikaw ang winner natin for today's episode of Streak?
Ay, masarap.
Nice.
Congratulations! Kasi napanalunan mo ang prize natin for today! Woo! Ang daming supporters! Gustong-gusto ko yan at enjoyin nyo ang ano ba yung prize nyo ngayon?
Thank you, Tiger Sugar!
At ayan, may manapasaya na naman tayo mga Tomasians for today at baka naman next week kayo ang lucky winners natin ng mga prizes natin. But for now, syempre, abangan nyo na lang ang susunod na episode ng Streak, ang laro susubok sa inyong pagkatamasina. Bye-bye everybody! Woo!